What is the difference between funds flow and cash flow? Funds flow statement and cash flow statement. So फंड्स फ्लो स्टेटमेंट और कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के अंदर क्या डिफरेंस होता है? फर्स्ट, in case of funds flow statement, funds flow reveals you know reveals the difference between working capital in two balance sheet dates. But in case of cash flow statement, cash flow reveals the changes in cash position between two balance sheet dates. And in case of funds flow statement, funds flow statement based on accounting, this is based on cash basis. Funds flow statement is a schedule of changes in working capital, but there is no such schedule of changes in working capital for cash flow statement. And in case of funds flow statement, it is useful in planning intermediate and long term financing, whereas cash flow statement is a tool of financial analysis, is more useful for short term only. So there are some major difference between funds flow and cash flow statement. So let us write all the important differential point between funds flow statement and cash flow statement. Fund flow statement, cash flow fund flow statement, here cash flow statement. Clear? So first differential point is fund flow statement reveals the change in working capital between two balance sheet dates. Remember that in case of funds flow statement reveals the changes in working capital between two balance sheet dates, but whereas in case of cash flow statement it reveals the changes in cash position between two balance sheet dates, or we can say net cash flow. Clear? This is the first point of difference. Again, second, funds flow statement is based on accounting, whereas cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting. समझ में आया मेरे बात कि फंड्स फ्लो स्टेटमेंट इज बेस्ड ऑन अकाउंटिंग, whereas cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting. funds flow statement is based on accounting, whereas cash flow statement is based on cash basis. Clear? Next point. In case of funds flow statement, a schedule of changes in working capital is prepared. A schedule of changes in working capital. Changes in working capital is prepared. But in case of cash flow statement, no such schedule of changes in working capital is prepared. क्लियर? फंड्स फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में क्या होता है ना, जो वर्किंग कैपिटल का एक शेड्यूल बनाया जाता है, लेकिन इन केस ऑफ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट नो सच शेड्यूल विल बी मेड. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. In case of funds flow statement, useful for planning, intermediate and long-term financing. Useful for planning, intermediate and long-term financing. But in case of cash flow statement, is more useful for short-term analysis. Short-term analysis. Okay, because as a tool for financial analysis, then is more useful for short-term analysis and cash planning. So these 4 points need to remember, and most important point of difference between funds flow statement and cash flow statement. Very good question and also very important. Funds flow statement reveals the working capital differential in working capitals, and cash flow statement reveals the cash position between two balance sheet dates. Here is working capital, here is a cash position. Then funds flow statement is based on accounting, cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting. In case of funds flow, a schedule of changes in working capital is made, but no such schedule is made in case of cash flow statement. Then funds flow statement is useful for planning, intermediate and long-term financing, but cash flow statement is useful for short-term analysis. Okay, thank you so much.